welcome to CC Only. Here's some pot stickers that I have made using our dumpling machine. Now I'm going to show you the whole process.
慢慢推下去，它自己会带它下去，很快的操作。切球的效果不错。
And now we're just mixing up the filling. After the dough is about 80% mixed, I'm going to turn off the machine and take it out and finish by hand. So after we take it out of the machine, we're going to finish mixing it by hand. Now we have everything adjusted and we're ready to go. I just want to mention that you want to make sure you keep your flour, your dough, and your filling full the whole time as much as possible. And when you first start to make them, they may not look normal, which is okay. You just need to go back and adjust it to the thickness of your skin and how much meat goes inside, and then eventually they will look normal. So now we're going to turn on the machine. Alright, now we're all finished up, we're going to weigh some of them and do some measurements. Now your weights are going to vary based on the thickness of your skin and the filling as well, but most of the time they'll be about 23 to 28 grams. See, they're about 2 3/4. This is going to change though based on how you shape them. If you stretch them out a little bit, they're going to be longer. You want. Now I'm going to show you how to cook them. Now that the water is boiling, we're going to put them inside. Okay, so after we're done boiling them, now we're just going to pan fry them until they're a little bit brown and crispy. Hi, welcome to CC Only. Here's some pot stickers that I have made using our dumpling machine.